once again, welcome to Fit Mamamia Cooking. Today's recipe is Char Kuey Teow, in English called white flat noodles. Okay, so this is all my ingredients. This is 3 tablespoons of oil, 5 pieces of chopped garlic, 5 pieces of chopped shallot, 10 pieces of fresh prawns, 100 grams of cockles, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1½ teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of dark sauce, 3 eggs, 400 grams of flat noodles, 100 grams of bean sprouts, and 2 stalks of onion leaves. Okay, so let's start cooking. Okay, I want to add in the oil. Add in the garlic. Shallot. I like to add in a bit of shallot because I want to have an extra taste and ingredients. Okay, now I add in the prawn. I add in the salt and the sugar. It's my secret recipe. Now I'm going to add in the eggs. I break the eggs. Keep on stirring until the egg is cooked even. Okay, so the eggs already cooked. I'm going to add in the Kuey Teow, so white flat noodles. Okay, so now I want to add in the black sweet sauce. Okay. So the Kuey Teow, the flat white noodles turn into darker color, brown color. Don't forget to taste it. Wow. Now I add in the bean sprout. Cover up. Okay, this is the cockles. Okay, I don't want my bean sprout to be overcooked, so it's almost done. I stir it even. Okay, and now I'm going to add in the onion leaves. Okay, so it's done. This is the Char Kway Teow. I'm going to off the fire. It's easy and simple. So let's prepare. Looks nice. I can't wait to taste it. It's an optional. You can add in the Chilli Sambal. And the Calamansi juice. For me, I like to add in the sambal. So good. Must try, guys. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comments. Thanks for watching. See you soon.